Welcome back, it's Laura again. Now let's go over taste. Do you love being able to eat delicious food every day? But what happens when you're sick or have a cold? Does the food taste the same? Taste buds are a group of taste cells. That includes taste receptors that are all over our tongues, our mouths, the roofs of our mouths, the epiglottis, and the upper esophagus. When appropriate, perhaps at home, stick out your tongue in the mirror. What you might see are little white bumps. These are called papillae. Tiny little taste buds are sitting on top of each of these. Each of these has an opening called a taste pore and tiny hairs called microvilli. These components in our mouths send messages to the parietal lobe of the brain, and that tells us what type of food we're eating. There are 4 basic types of taste: sweet, salty, sour, and bitter, sometimes even a 5th, called umami, also known as savoriness. When we eat food, it gets broken down into smaller pieces. Our taste receptors then read this information and send it to our brain, which ultimately helps us to determine what taste we're experiencing. So, why can we taste more in certain parts of our tongue? Well, taste is more intense where we have more taste receptors. The tip of our tongue comes in first place when it comes to having more taste receptors, followed by the sides and the back in second, and the middle of the tongue coming in last. Have you ever burned your tongue before? Sometimes we accidentally damage our taste buds. But don't worry, these injuries are not permanent, as we are able to produce new taste receptors all the time. So make sure to protect those taste buds by waiting for hot food or beverages to cool down before eating it. And most importantly, let's not forget to wear our helmets to protect our parietal lobes. Now let's head back into the classroom to discuss further. Bye for now.